Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious yellow curry recipe that is absolutely fantastic for these cold winter months. Let's waste no more time and get right on to it.
It's time for Galaxy Hoodie Go!
For your ingredients, go get 2 yellow onions, 7 cloves of garlic, 5 Yukon Gold potatoes, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of yellow curry paste, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 45 fluid ounces or 3 cans of coconut milk or coconut cream, 2 to 4 boneless chicken breasts, and 2 cups of water. Put your oil over high heat until it is very hot, then turn down your heat to medium-high and add your sliced onions. You can dice them if you prefer smaller slices, but I just like having the long bits sometimes. Mix them around to get them all coated in the hot oil and to break up the individual slices if you, like me, haven't already done that. We will allow this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the onions have a nice caramelization, meaning they have turned slightly brown but are not burned. While your onions cook, take the skins off your garlic and mince them. You can press them if you'd like to save time or effort, but lately I've preferred mincing since it draws out quite a bit of flavor. Hang your head in shame with your pre-made yellow curry. Just kidding, the stuff is incredible. And add the entire 1-cup package to the mix and combine it with your onions and garlic. Let that cook for 5 to 10 minutes while you cube your chicken. Add the chicken. All the chicken. What the heck happened? Who cares? Free food! Mix that in and get to work on your potatoes. Oh boy! The stress keeps ratcheting up. You know, you can do food prep if you don't want to race against the cooking clock and then just add these at the intervals you see me do so. Add your cut potatoes. You can cube them, dice them, whatever, just make them the same size and not stupidly big chunks, and then mix those in too. I assume you're seeing the theme here. Finally, we get to the good stuff. Add all 3 whoppingly small cans of coconut milk and add your 2 cups of water, preferably boiled, but doesn't really matter. What's our theme? Mix it in, boys and girls! I hope you haven't added your brown sugar or fish sauce yet. Also, fish sauce is rank, so make sure to keep that stuff away from you or in its bottle until the last possible minute. Yuck. While I'm complaining about this, make sure your coconut matter is completely dissolved into your dish, creating a yellowish sauce before you allow it to simmer for 30 minutes. This will make the potatoes nice and soft and ensure your chicken is cooked for safe consumption. No chicken sashimi here. After those 30 minutes, ooh, that is hot. Okay, don't do that, but safely take the lid off and make sure it's not bubbling quite like that, but close. You want it simmering. Also, make sure to enjoy your free facial from all that steam. Oh boy! Go ahead and mix in your brown sugar and fish sauce. Theme! Let it sit for about 5 minutes with the burner completely turned off, and then you're good to serve. I paired this with rice, but you can either have it by itself or any kind of grain, i.e. more potatoes, rice, pasta. Haven't tried quinoa, but I'll get back to you on that one day. Positively delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and then go ahead and leave me a comment down below or follow me on social media if you haven't already. There's going to be a button that appears here. Make sure to click that to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Always remember though, stick with me, and you'll never go hungry again!